We're here at Kohll's Pharmacy, 127th and Q, with David Kohll, the third generation, representing the third generation of four that have built this business to what it is now, starting off with a pharmacy way back when. How did the pharmacy grow into this?
We always wanted to help people, and that was the mentality of, I believe, my grandfather, my dad, and my brothers and I, and I think we've accomplished that.
David, you got me here in a hospital bed, but it's more than a hospital bed, and you got yourself in one of those get-me-up chairs.
Dave, the company's transformed since my grandpa started it in 1948. Today we have 12 different divisions. The bed you're in is probably the best, most comfortable hospital bed you can be in the country. Lift chairs, we got more lift chairs than anybody else in the country, and I could say this more than in the country for almost everything that we have.
Because?
Because we've become experts in all these different divisions.
David, one thing we haven't spoken a lot on is mobility. How important is that in the scope of this?
Mobility is huge for the patients and for people. They want to get from point A to B, and they want to do it with independence. We have the largest variety of wheelchairs, power chairs, scooters, again, than anybody else in the country. We have an auto dealership that we specialize in wheelchair vans. So we can rent it to you, we can sell one to you. We even have a taxi service that's a wheelchair van. So you can stay in your chair, you have your independence.
David, you can be as careful as you want to be, but safety in the bathroom is still a concern.
We have 12 full-time carpenters on our staff. We specialize in accessibility. We do walk-in tubs are a common thing that we do.
David, we've been talking about things to improve your home, make your home safer for you if you want to stay in your home. This is one of them.
These are phenomenal. We install maybe 10 of these in different people's houses a week.
David, thanks for having us out here today. You have an incredible location here, incredible stuff. If people want more information about it, where do they go?
KohlsRx.com.
Thank you so much, pal.
Thanks for being here.
You betcha.